How to free up storage space on your iPhone or iPad. Let's get started. Before deleting anything, it's a good idea to back up your device to iCloud or your computer. This keeps your important data safe. Now launch your settings and tap General, then choose iPhone storage or iPad storage depending on your device. You will see a color-coded graph showing what's using space, like apps, photos, and messages. This data is local only and does not include iCloud storage. Apple provides smart recommendations to help you manage space. Tap Show All to see all available suggestions. So first of all, you can click on the option Review Your Videos to see large attachments. Tap Select. Then you can check in for the videos that you want to delete and remove from your device. This will free up some space. Next, offload or delete apps. For that, hit back. From these list of apps, select the one that you don't use or don't need. Just click on it and select the option offload or delete. Then you can hit back and return and check how much space you have cleared. Now you'll have room for updates, new photos and apps. And that's how to free up storage on your iPhone or iPad. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.